Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video guys, and we have a brand new TWS from Skullcandy to check out in this video. So Skullcandy has just launched their brand new premium category TWS with active noise cancellation support, and they're called as the Indy ANC. And today in this video we're gonna unbox it and I'll be giving like my complete review on this product. It comes in this sort of box packaging and you can even see a picture of the TWS on the front. And if you talk about the main highlights, it's got personal sound tuning by Audio Do, supports up to 32 hours of battery life, and even has wireless charging support. And the best part is it's got active noise cancellation support, guys. We've got the Skullcandy branding everywhere on the box packaging, and going to the backside, we've got some more features mentioned. Like I've told you, right? It's got 4 mic digital ANC support, personal sound tuning, rapid charging is there, 2 microphones for noise reduction during calls also, and built-in tile functionality as well. Well, that is pretty much it. So let's directly unbox it and finally check out the product. The outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside we've got a black box, and as soon as you open it, at the top side we've got some info like how Audio Do tunes the sound on these TWS. Keeping that aside, here you go guys, our brand new TWS from Skullcandy, the Indy ANC in black color. These are available only in black for now, and this is how the charging case looks like. Wow, very minimalistic design with just the Skullcandy logo on the front. I'll get back to the case in a moment. Let me just take these TWs out of the package and show you them as well. So there you go. This is how the Indy ANC truly wireless earbuds look like. They're active noise cancellation premium category earphones, and wow, they look very beautiful from our first look. Very minimalistic design with a black and gray finish. Build quality also looks pretty good. The body is entirely made of high quality plastic and even has silicone ear fins as well to offer you extra grip while wearing. The quality of the ear tips also looks pretty good. You've got the Indy ANC branding, a status LED indicator at the top side, and charging contacts on the bottom. And not to forget, these premium TWS also have touch control functionality built into them. And getting back to the charging case, here you go. It's a very compact and portable charging case, guys. The complete weight of this charging case, including the earbuds, is around 76 grams. So this is how it opens up, and they're magnetic, so you can easily place them into the slots and they'll automatically sit in the proper positions. You've got the Indy ANC branding, battery life indicators on the front side, Skullcandy logo over here, and there's a Type C port on the bottom side for charging. And I've told you, right, this model also supports wireless charging, so you can simply put this charging case on any wireless charging pad to easily charge them on the go. So that is pretty much it, guys, our complete overview on the design and the build quality. And wait a second, I totally forgot to show you the accessories. In the package you get some paperwork, like there's a user guide, make sure to read that, a Type C cable for charging, and lastly you get some extra pair of ear tips and fins in different sizes. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The Indy ANC are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to use even on longer periods of time. And thanks to these extra ear fins you have over here, they offer like a better grip while you're wearing them. And if you ask about the sound isolation, well, I've told you, right, they feature active noise cancellation support, and there's actually a lot that I want to talk about that, which we'll be doing after we discuss about the sound quality. And coming to the sound quality, they feature Skullcandy's 12 signature drivers, and the audio quality on them is very good, guys. One of the finest TWS I've actually used in the recent times. The mids felt crisp and clear, and there was great amount of detail in the audio. You could easily understand all the dialogues while you were watching movies, and you could also hear all the instruments playing in the music with great clarity. And if you talk about the treble quality was also very good. It has a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and it was producing smooth treble with very minimum harshness. And coming to the bass, I know a lot of people really love bass on this TWS, and let me tell you, the Skullcandy's Indy ANC won't disappoint you. These offer a nice and punchy bass, and you've got that nice kick in the low end that a lot of bass heads look for. So if you are also a person who loves bass, you're definitely going to like them. See guys, the overall audio quality was very good, quite satisfactory for the price point. The THD was also less, and distortion was less, up to like 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion, and the overall audio output was also loud and satisfactory. In fact, I actually couldn't use it beyond 85% volume level. Keeping that aside, guys, if you ask about the touch controls are also working fine. Both the earbuds have touch controls on them. You can use it to completely control the music and even toggle ambient mode as well. Now let me tell you about the active noise cancellation. As I've told you, it's got 4 mic digital ANC support, and the noise cancellation performance was pretty good considering that these are in-ear type ANC earbuds. See, usually in-ear type do not offer that good ANC support, but considering this price tag, Skullcandy has done a very good job on them. But again, don't compare the noise cancellation of these in-ear type TWS with the over-the-head premium ANC headsets, guys. Difference will definitely be there, but considering the price tag, it was doing a good job. It was eliminating most of the unnecessary background low frequency sounds, like your fan noise or maybe some construction sounds going on the outside. It was eliminating most of them, guys. So pretty good job. And not only that, the Indy ANC also feature a special ambient mode as well. You can simply toggle them by long touching the touch sensor on the earbud, and this lets you like more clearly hear what is happening in the environment, and can be quite useful, especially when you want to have a conversation with somebody, guys. It lets you clearly hear what they're speaking, and once you're done with the conversation, you can just let go of that hand, and ANC gets turned back on. Pretty useful feature. Alright, now let me tell you about the battery life. Well, battery life is pretty good on them, but it actually depends on how you use it. For example, if you use the TWS with ANC on, then on a single charge, these TWS can offer you around like 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life. Again, if you turn the ANC off, then you can easily expect around like 7.5 to 8 hours on a single charge. And the charging case can charge these earbuds up to 2.5 times. So you can expect around like with the ANC off, then you can expect around like 25 to 26 hours of battery life totally. And if you use it with ANC, then you can expect around like 15 to 16 hours of battery life. And not to forget, guys, they also support rapid charging and also have support for wireless charging, guys. That is also pretty nice. Well, that's it, guys. That was my video on Skullcandy's brand new Indy ANC TWS earbuds. They're very good TWS earbuds that offer ANC support as well. I love the audio quality. ANC performance was pretty good for the price tag, and battery life was also nice and offer touch controls also. Only thing I felt is these TWS do not have water resistance. That is pretty strange because the previous Indy Evo actually were IP55 rated sweat resistance. So I'll have to actually clarify with the brand once, like, do these support or not, because they didn't specify about the sweat resistance anywhere on the box or even on their website. And also I felt the price of these TWS was slightly expensive, guys. They cost around like 10,999 rupees in Indian market. If you would add like maybe 1,000 or 2,000, you can actually get their premium headphones only from Skullcandy. So I felt they were slightly a bit higher price tag. Anyways, I'll just leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.